Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Bosch Series 8 built-in oven. Bosch high-performing ovens produce top-quality dishes for any occasion. Introducing the Bosch new Series 8 oven. Now you can save time and energy in the kitchen with the automatic switch-off function. Its intuitive technology helps you manage your cook time so that you do not have to worry anymore about overcooking your dishes. Baking has become simpler with the PerfectBake Plus function. Using artificial intelligence and a baking sensor, it conveniently informs you of the remaining bake time. Simply select a dish, press start, and let the oven do the rest. By measuring the humidity inside your oven, it ensures an optimum temperature so that your bakes come out perfectly every time. Timing is essential when it comes to roasting meat, fish, and poultry. With a meat probe, the PerfectRoast Plus function uses 3 measuring points to check the internal core temperature of your dish. Your oven will also automatically be configured to the optimal setting so that your dishes are roasted perfectly. Simply leave the roasting to the oven and be informed once your dish is ready. Having trouble determining when your food is ready? Simply connect your oven to the Home Connect app. With the automatic switch-off function, you can be notified when your dish is done. Your oven will switch off once your food is ready, and you can enjoy a comforting meal with a peace of mind. The new digital control ring makes operating your oven a breeze. Just move your finger across the engraved ring on the control panel and choose your desired setting. With the TFT Touch Display Plus, you'll never have to worry about knobs or tedious programming anymore. Designed with a high-resolution, full-surface touchscreen with directly selectable buttons, you can navigate the control panel with ease. Craving for a quick and healthy snack? With the air fry function, you can whip up a quick snack in no time. Simply cut some potatoes, add a little oil on the grill tray, and select the air fry function. You can also grill dishes on the grill tray, making this a very versatile function not to be missed. That's not all. The crisp function allows you to make your dishes crispier and tastier. By removing moisture directly from the oven cavity, you are guaranteed the crispiest finish every time. The 4D hot air feature enables you to bake biscuits and cookies on up to 4 levels with perfect consistency. The heat is distributed evenly throughout the oven, allowing you to bake more without compromising on the quality. Likewise, the HotAir Gentle function distributes heat evenly around the oven cavity. No preheating is needed when baking small goods such as cakes in tins or baking on a single level. This energy-saving system allows you to enjoy your favorite bakes quicker. In addition to the classic top and bottom heat function, this top-bottom heat gentle function helps you achieve perfection for small baked goods, breads, and rolls, while saving energy. The new HotAir Safety Fan uses a cooling fan technology so you can enjoy your meals straight out of the oven. This hot air extraction system uses a thermostat, ensuring that all external surfaces are kept at safe temperatures while cooking. Once the door opens, the safety fan stops turning so you will not be exposed to excessive hot air. Now you can enjoy your meals safely and comfortably. Need help to remember your settings? With the Assist function, you can select the dish that you're cooking and let your oven handle the rest. It sets the ideal heating mode, temperature, and preparation time automatically for you, so you can have a fuss-free cooking experience. Cleaning your oven by hand can be very tiring. The new Pyrolytic Self-Cleaning function ensures that you never have to work that elbow grease again. Heating up to 480 degrees Celsius, the function will heat up and burn the grease and food residue. Once your oven cools down, all you need is one quick wipe and your oven will be sparkling clean. Now you have more time to enjoy your favorite meals and less time needed to clean up the mess. If your oven only needs a quick clean from a slight splatter, you can opt for the Cleaning Assistance function. Just add 400 milliliters of water with a drop of liquid detergent at the bottom of the oven cavity to soften the baked-on residue. Select the function, and all you need to do is just a simple wipe down. The Home Connect app gives you the ability to control your oven anytime, anywhere. Simply connect your oven to a Home Connect account. This innovative technology allows for you to change your settings, manage your favorites, and select specific cooking functions remotely. Be notified when the program is completed. With the voice control feature, you can even talk to the oven through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Oven Assistant comes with a voice control function, so you can cook your favorite meal with ease. Simply tell your oven what you want to make and it will switch to the recommended settings for you. Gain access to a vast array of recipes through the recipe world. Just select the desired dish that you want to cook and the settings will be transferred to your oven directly. You can even save your recipe. To make cooking even more convenient, you can use the Favorites function to save the settings for your go-to dishes. You can access them through the Home Connect app or directly from your appliance. Enjoy your favorite dish on demand. With the cooking tips available on the Home Connect app, you can stay on top of your game. All you have to do is to connect your oven to your registered Home Connect account, and you will always be in on the latest cooking trends. The oven also has a soft close feature to ensure longevity of the appliance. The special damping mechanism allows the door to stop before closing, shutting itself gently and quietly. With its sleek and functional design, this 60 cm by 60 cm oven takes up as little space as possible by fitting into your kitchen cabinet, so you can have more space to work your cooking magic. With its versatile features, this oven is a time and energy-saving, worthy investment to have in your kitchen. Make the most out of your meals with the all-rounded Bosch Series 8 oven today.